Charshalo Rajakor Avlini Kaisa Besharkari Hotel Indian Association of Physiotherapists tang bedek ni bwkhak N.E.Physiocon panda Zaka Salni panda paikha kokti salo panda nograi okra ungwi phai manjak haste Indrasena reddy nallu panda kok narikna furu physiotherapy no tuye kwbangma kok sawi khonarika bo saklaikha kaham tongna hunke physiotherapy ni kaisa kaham naikul mung tongo hastebo laithane bisichi barogo abohai kri tongmani hastebo fia tabuk kebang engman nuksak tongkha physiotherapist treatment.
Physical ailment and disorders. Bad posture, neck and back pain, static postures while working for long hours, etc. Put no stress on human body and are mainly responsible for diseased fitness. Decreased fitness. Physiotherapist improves cardiorespiratory fitness, muscular health, and reduce the risk of many conditions including cardiovascular disease and diabetes mellitus. Physiotherapists keep people moving through interventions which maximize strength and mobility.
Panda kok narikman nuksaka haste fano karibo Indian Association of Physiotherapists ni kendriyo achupang Dr. Sanjeev Jano kok tamao shaiman ka tabung no pula haste wa abahai panda shangka zaka hakotorte fatar haste ni logiwatir burani kebangma physiotherapist physiotherapy ni rungsrnai rok panda phai manjak phaiga. Bio report kokharang.